Last year, Razer, the company known for gaming notebooks and peripherals, released a smartphone designed specifically for gamers. With features like loud front-firing stereo speakers, a brilliant display with fast refresh rates, and all the power to run your favorite games. And just like that, the gaming smartphone category was born. This year, new competitors have cropped up, and Razer is back with an update. And from the looks of it, it's not just a phone that only gamers will love. Hi, I'm Michael Josh, you're watching GadgetMatch, and this is our Razer Phone 2 hands-on. At first glance, the new Razer Phone looks very much like last year's model. It's the same size, has got the same boxy shape, and up front has the same front-firing speakers on both its forehead and chin. But turn it around and you'll know it's completely different. The camera is in a new place, and the back is now glass instead of aluminum. In my briefing with Razer, I was told that the decision to go with glass is to enable a couple of things: gigabit LTE or faster connectivity speeds, and wireless charging. They sell this wireless charging stand separately with cool RGB lighting underneath. And if you're worried about the glass back, they also sell some pretty awesome cases too. But you know what's really cool? The Razer logo on the phone's back lights up. Not just green, but any color of the rainbow, all of which can be managed with an app. One thing that was really important to Razer this time around was to build not just a gaming phone, but a flagship phone. So this year, they set out to improve the phone's camera. The Razer Phone 2 has got new Sony image sensors and better post-processing software, all of which are supposed to improve photo quality that they say should be able to compete with other flagships. The camera app too has been updated, made simpler and easier to use. And for those who like it, there's even beauty mode on the front-facing camera. Of course, all of what makes the Razer Phone a great gaming phone are still here. You've got that awesome 120Hz refresh rate, but the display has been improved further with even better dynamic range. Whether you're watching YouTube or an HDR movie on Netflix, or playing PUBG, which runs great on this device, as can be expected from its pretty spec'd up configuration. These front-firing stereo speakers are loud too. Here, give it a listen. So, is the Razer Phone 2 your gadget match? Of course, you'll have to wait for our full review to find out if the phone lives up to its full potential, but based on the limited time that we've had with the device, we think it has plenty of potential. If you're not yet subscribed to this channel, make sure you do, and while you're at it, hit that bell icon so you get notified when we post that review video. Follow us on social media and make GadgetMatch.com your daily habit. Until the next video, I'm Michael Josh. Thanks for dropping by.